Hello, everybody. My name is Sue Gerasi. I am a software engineering manager at Pinnacle 21 by Certara, and I'm here to talk about our early career development program that we built at Pinnacle 21. So we call it early career lunch and learn sessions. We all love lunch, we all love food, and we all love technology. About a little over a year ago, we found ourselves in a situation where we had a bunch of early career folks that came mostly from coding boot camps, and they wanted to learn more about technology that they weren't getting exposed to at their work. And then at the same time, we had some senior engineers that were like, oh, I really want to teach this topic to the early career folks. I really think that they could gain from this particular subject matter. So it was like, great, awesome. Let's work together to figure out an easy-to-maintain program to bring everybody together to build this program. So it's made up of 3 different types of sessions that I'm going to walk through. First one is our roundtable session. So this is the easiest one that we have to kind of build a framework around. It is 1 hour, divided up into 2 parts. And the goal of this one is to give our early career folks a safe space to learn from each other, as well as the senior engineer that's present in the session. So the first half of the session is a show and tell. Everybody's going to bring something that they learned since the last time we got together that's tech related. So it could be something interesting about IntelliJ, or it could be something an interesting article that they read, or maybe something that they've learned from the Philly ETE conference. The second half of this session is asking a senior a question. So this is an opportunity for them to bring a problem that they're having that they just want help with. It's also an opportunity for them to ask career questions. Hey, senior, how did you get there? What do you think I could do to get to where you're at? And it also just could be about general technology concepts or something that they want to learn. The next one is, as expected, Tech Talks. We all know what they are. So this is a fun one where our senior engineer will pick out an article or video and have the early career folks read it or watch it ahead of time, and gives them an opportunity to come to the session with questions and kind of like an idea of what the Tech Talk is going to be about. Then the senior will come to the Tech Talk with like a presentation, and the idea here is the more hands-on, the better. So for like coding at the end of the session, the more successful this session will be, and more likely they're going to retain that knowledge later on. And this one's everybody's favorite, mob programming sessions. Now this one, I cannot take credit for the concept of. This is Woody Zulli's concept, which actually I learned about from Philly ETE 2 years ago in somebody else's presentation talk, and I was just really excited to bring this concept to our early career folks. And it turns out to be everybody's favorite session. But these take longer. These tend to be about like 2 to 3 hours, to be honest. So if you attend Martin's Shape Up talk, you're going to hear about cool down phase. So that's when these occur, so when we have a little bit more time to focus on things that aren't part of our current workflow. But the idea is a senior will come up with like a problem that needs to be solved within our code base, and everybody works together on that one problem. You have one person at the keyboard, and then you have everybody else in the room directing you on what you need to be doing to solve the problem. And then every 10 minutes, you rotate. So you have a new person at the keyboard, and everybody else is directing. So everybody gets to play different roles within that time frame. And the outcome of it is generally a PR or 2 on solving a few problems. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. So I just wanted to throw up my notes just in case anybody was interested in doing something similar at their work. And also I included a link to Woody Zulli's mob programming in case you are interested in doing this work. It's not just for early career folks. Actually, I think it's something for all levels, but in our case, we do it with our early career folks. Special thanks to Martin Snyder and also fellow Pinnacle 21 engineers for having this take flight. This is actually like pretty cool idea, and thanks to our seniors and our entry-level folks for the inspiration for it. And also, thanks for the Philly ET Planning Committee, because I'm happy to share this program. And if anybody wants to collaborate or has an idea or wants to implement this at their work, please contact me for any information, because I would love to collaborate. Tell me what worked, what didn't work, and all. So thank you. That's it.